let me show you how to add or remove columns in Cwicly. If we go here and add a section, and then into this section we add some columns, which is here, and then I select a 3-column layout, inside of our columns block, we have 1, 2, and 3 columns. Now, let's just say you wanted to remove one of these columns and make it a 2-column grid. If you try and click this, nothing happens. If you click it fast enough, you can get rid of it, but it just comes back. And so this is why I'm making this video. You can't actually go into here and delete columns. If you want to remove columns, you need to click on the parent, and then under the primary tab, here, click on the grid editor. And then from here, you want to remove a column like this, and it will ask you to confirm. You go OK, and now you've removed that column. Now, let's just say, how do we go and add a column back in here? So we can't actually go and just copy that and then paste that down there, can we? And if we right click on here, we can't select duplicate. So how do we add the column? Go back to the parent, go back into the grid editor, and then we click the plus sign. And then we can drag it into place. Now we have a 3-column grid. So that's how you add and remove columns in Cwicly. To get a better understanding of the grid editor, I made this video here that I'm going to link to on the screen right now. It's going to teach you how to go and use the grid editor to create a unique layout. And in doing so, you're going to learn a little bit more about how to go and manage your columns inside of Cwicly. So I'll see you in that video.